Are you spending more time firefighting issues on the shop floor than growing your business? You're not alone. Running a small business means juggling tight deadlines, unexpected downtime, and endless paperwork. It's overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. With the right tools, you can turn things around. Meet SolidShop, the ultimate solution to simplify your operations and take control of your shop floor. Tired of fixing G-code errors after production starts? With SolidShop Editor, CNC programming becomes effortless. Dedicated CNC programming editor for error-free code. Simulate canned cycles, probing, macros, engraving, conditional logic, and block skips. G-code-driven machine simulation with lightning-fast speed thanks to GPU acceleration. Does finding the right document feel like hunting for a needle in a haystack? SolidShop PDM eliminates paper and connects everyone to a single data source, ensuring the latest job instructions, CAD data, and reports are instantly available. Eliminate non-conformities during audits and improve documentation accuracy. DNC module sends and receives programs for any CNC machine, regardless of its manufacturing year. Collects real-time signals from machine PLCs to measure utilization and performance. Integrated with PDM, allowing operators to contribute to process improvements. Unplanned downtime costs you money. With SolidShop Machine Monitoring, monitor any equipment in real time from anywhere. All you need is an internet browser. Get detailed daily, monthly, and annual reports automatically sent via email, SMS, WhatsApp, or Skype. Uses DNC Max to collect machine data and track performance. SolidShop streamlines operations, enhances efficiency, and provides real-time insights to help you make data-driven decisions. Stop firefighting. Start optimizing your shop floor. Ready to take control of your manufacturing? Contact us today and see how SolidShop can transform your business.